Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the government's plan to fix the roads in Jamaica. Now remember, we had done a video recently where we asked why is it taking so long for the Spark program to start? The roads are in a terrible state. So the government put out an update on their long-term plan, which they say is going to take 20 years to fix the roads in Jamaica. And they are still proceeding with the Spark program, although it hasn't started yet. The Spark program is a $40 billion program to fix the roads in some roads in Jamaica. And they plan to allocate money out of every budget for the next 20 years to fix the roads. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness says the government will be making significant long-term investments in improving Jamaica's road infrastructure. It is going to be a 20-year journey for us to get all our roads into the conditions where we can drive in comfort on all of them. Going forward, the government is making a commitment with the budgetary allocations from our positive economic performance to build new roads, improve those roads, and maintain them. For the first time, we're in a position that we can project to be able to do this, he disclosed. The Prime Minister was addressing a diaspora town hall at the Lehman Center for the Performing Arts in New York. Dr. Holness noted that Jamaica's stable economic performance has been pivotal in facilitating investment in the island's critical infrastructures. Key among these are developments slated to be carried out under the $40 billion Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network Spark program. The Prime Minister pointed out, for many years we did not make the investments to keep the maintenance of our roads. In fact, we weren't even keeping a full register of all our roads. So when we announced the Spark program, we also did a full register of our roads. We have over 21,000, almost 25,000 kilometers of roadways. That puts us in the top 10% of countries in terms of roads per square mile. So we have very high road density, which means that the cost of maintaining and repairing roads would be significant, he pointed out. Dr. Holness said the stable revenues and a long-term projected investment path, business operators can feel confident in investments they make. The fundamentals of the economy are strong, and from the strong fundamentals of the economy, we're taking the dividends of that and we're doing some fantastic things, he added. Dr. Holness said the country's improved economic structure is critical to facilitating these investments and emphasized the importance of the diaspora's role in growing the economy. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So the government is committing to fixing the roads over the next 20 years. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.